Nakakabahala na ang paulit-ulit na antala sa proseso ng impeachment trial. Buwan na ang binibilang natin. Sobra-sobra na ang paghihintay ng mga Pilipino. Let us all hope this is the last delay. While I support my colleagues in our shared sense of urgency in passing important legislation in the last days of the 19th Congress, including the landmark anti-POGO bill, we cannot postpone our constitutional obligations any longer. Any further delays in commencing the trial against Vice President Duterte would violate the Constitution, which clearly states that the Senate must forthwith proceed with an impeachment trial. Hindi kapag ready na, hindi kapag convenient, kundi shall forthwith proceed. Huwag naman sana yang baliwalain. The Supreme Court has also previously ruled that the Senate is treated as a continuing body when it comes to non-legislative functions, and those include the vital duty to sit as an impeachment court. We owe it to the Filipino people to convene as an impeachment court and begin the proceedings at the soonest possible time. Ano man ang akusasyon laban kay Vice President Duterte, karapatan ng taong bayan na malaman at mahimay ang mga ito sa pamamagitan ng isang transparent na impeachment trial. Dapat harapin na ng Senado ang lahat ng ito sa lalong madaling panahon. Lang ako nakakita ng bola na dinidribble ng 4 na buwan. Kahit naman sa basketball may shot clock. Convening as an impeachment court and commencing trial is expressly mandated by the Constitution. And yet this process has been delayed and dragged on for 4 long months. In those 4 months, I've been called eager, aggressive, impatient, atat. But the simple truth is this: we are not rushing. In fact, we have been waiting. The Filipino people are waiting, and we believe 4 months is more than enough. These delays are no longer procedural. They are obstructions dressed up as protocol. The impeachment process is a crucial means of demanding accountability exclusively entrusted by the people to the Senate. Hindi ko yan balak talikuran. It's time to follow the rules and start the process forthwith. Enough games. Time to move.